Okay. Yeah. कल बता ये रहा है करना हम बटन मैंने बोला मैंने कहा मैं ऐसे लगवा क्या है मैंने कहा मैं ऐसे लगवाऊंगा तो शी बोला आप लगवा दूंगी मैंने क्यों बोला पता नहीं था अभी बोला वो तो नहीं
Class, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How is everybody doing?
Ma'am, good.
Good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Dhruv.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Tanishka. Can we have the camera on if you people don't mind?
And this geography class.
Good morning,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
beta. Good afternoon, bache. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Netik. How are you doing?
Ma'am, very well.
Very well. Happy to have online classes again?
No, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Let everyone come. Two classes are merged, so they are taking time to join. Yes, Om, I know, but your camera is off. I can't see you. Even I cannot hear you also. Why are you so silent?
Good
Ma'am,
Good afternoon.
ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Okay, how is Zenib doing? Good?
I'm very well.
Very good. Okay. So, tell me in your online classes, history, what you have completed in history? Huh?
Ma'am, we are doing civics.
Civics, you were doing civics. Who was taking civics? I think Gagandeep sir took
Ma'am,
your-
Gagan sir.
Yes, sir, Gagan sir.
Civics, I won't be taking civics with you. I'll be taking geography and history only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me tell you about your annual syllabus. For history, you will be having chapter 13, 14 and 15. And for geography, you will be having manufacturing industries, chapter 8 and chapter 10, human resources.
I'm only two.
Only 2 in geography, yes.
Ma'am, please tell again the syllabus.
In geography, just a second.
Syllabus again.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I think in history we have to start with 30th chapter.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you please tell again the syllabus?
Beta, I am just telling, wait a second. I'll write it down on the screen so that you can easily copy it down. Right? You can see the screen, right? Hanji. Is the screen visible to all of you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is your term syllabus. Fine.
Chapter 6 in civics is not coming.
Role of police and courts.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, this was not there in your Hafilis? Sorry, in your
Oh, ma'am.
in duties it was not there.
Don't come till understanding laws that were.
Okay, fine. Then chapter 6 also you.
Ma'am, it is there. Ma'am, chapter 6 is also coming.
Hmm. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? You all can copy it. Fine? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I think manufacturing industries, we have started this chapter.
Yes, ma'am. Start.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have given you some flowcharts also.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Are you sure?
Ma'am,
Yes,
you are.
ma'am.
Okay. So we'll start with the flowcharts today, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? चलिए, geography chapter 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, manufacturing industries. Beta, I think I started this chapter with you people. Zenith?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in 8th
Ma'am,
level.
Okay,
It's
I-
8th.
you
have
have started
explained
and
this
I
chapter.
think you also gave one flowchart.
Huh, this is what
Ma'am,
You
Ma'am,
made
we
a
just-
rough flow chart.
Acha, I told you that I'll be fairing it out and giving it to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have told that we can copy it in our rough notebooks.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So
Ma'am, in the offline class, you told.
okay, fine. So I am drawing the flowchart over here. You can start writing. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Chalo. So
and this is the first flowchart of this
yes,
chapter.
of this chapter, flowchart number 1. ठीक है? Classification of industries on the ठीक है? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, on the basis of size, we can categorize industries into three bases: cottage industries, small scale, and large scale. Written? चलिए clear?
Ma'am, we have to draw this on a plain page.
Yes, beta.
Plain size.
हाँ जी.
Okay, ma'am.
अरे ये तो गड़बड़ हो रहा है. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can draw two flowchart on one page.
हाँ, beta, this is one flow chart only, but it has got 4 divisions in it, right? Subdivisions. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. तो पता नहीं वो
Ma'am,
हाँ जी,
ma'am,
beta.
Anshuman is in waiting room.
I don't know.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
because he's saying, please tell ma'am to take me in.
अच्छा बेटा, एक मिनट रुको, अभी चेक कर रहे हैं हम. Let me just check. अच्छा ठीक है. I have admitted him.
हाँ, okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, in the on the basis of raw material used, one is left, ma'am, pastoral based mixture.
Sorry. Pastoral based.
मैं वो बताऊं
Beta done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
I'm doing.
Okay. This is the last thing that we will do. Hanji beta. Say it please.
Please show full ma'am.
What beta?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा बोलो बच्चा.
basis of size.
Beta
Please.
one more is
Ma'am,
left.
please show basis of size.
Beta just a second.
Saying please show the full flow chart. This.
Beta wait. I have not completed.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this basic or intermediate are two different points.
Basic or key is one, intermediate is second, and consumer is third. Is this Akshat?
No, ma'am, Dhruv.
Dhruv, okay. I hope I am clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nahi? Okay, I am waiting.
Ma'am, consumer is third.
Consumer is third.
Ma'am, done the flowchart one.
Just a second. ठीक है? अब सही है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, this is fine. ठीक है? अभी एक पेज में confined हो गया. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. चलिए. Now coming to the next flow chart. Factors affecting location of industries. Clear? Class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors that affect the location of an industry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First one is availability of raw material. Availability of raw material. Second, land. Third, labor. Fourth, transport. Fifth is market. And then the sixth one is government policy. Fine? Clear?
And what about climate?
Wait a second. Do we have climate also in the book given?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
There are total
ma'am.
10 in the book.
Now
Huh?
we have 10 points.
I'm
Now
10
we
in
have
the
10
book.
points.
No, but these are the major points that are required, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can add climate to it if you want to. After market, okay?
Ma'am, done.
But
Is it done?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. This is, I think we did the reading also of the chapter. No, explanation was done. Reading was going.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, chapter was not done.
Ma'am, we have not started chapter.
Reading we have not started.
Ma'am, we have started.
Ma'am, but the next
Tanishka, listen. Tanishka, you were not sitting in this section, no. In the offline classes, you were sitting in C section. So you don't know what exactly we have done, right? Let Zainab tell because she was there in the B section. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Zainab, बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, we have done till this page number 193, the blue one. Like the blue paragraph. We have done till this one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, we have not
Ma'am,
done.
I think we have to start from major industries.
No. We have to start from the industrial
From
region.
industrial regions.
Yes. Okay, now see what they are talking about in this particular. Sorry. Shall I stop the screen sharing class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Mummy.
Just a second. Huh? Let it be there on the screen, no issues. Let us talk about the major industrial regions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is flow chart number 3.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, second flow chart is ended.
Second flow chart is only this much. No detailings I have given, okay?
And ma'am, this is flow chart number 3.
Huh?
And ma'am, this is flow chart number 3. This industrial region.
This was flowchart second, and what I am telling you right now, it is not part of the flowchart. It is just a simple explanation of the chapter, beta. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Industrial regions. Now, what is meant by industrial regions? Do you know, class?
No, ma'am.
See, industrial region, generally we call that place as industrial region where there is lot of concentration of industries in a particular area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, if I talk about, see, if I talk about the Mumbai-Pune region, you will find lots of industries located in this particular area, right? Then in the Hooghly Basin region also of West Bengal, most of the industries are located there only. If I talk about Bengaluru, Tamil Nadu region, most of the industries are located in this particular part of the states, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if we talk about Chota Nagpur region, we all know Chota Nagpur is a plateau region where mineral concentration is more. That is why more and more iron and steel industries are located in this particular area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these industrial regions basically will tell you about the concentration of the industries at a particular place. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
So-
ma'am.
So let us have Dhruv reading. Can we have Dhruv reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
An industrial region is a region in an area where the high concentration of industries. Such a region has a number of infrastructure facilities such as water, labor, power supply, transport, and communication network, market, banks, and financial services.
Carry on, beta. Dhruv, carry on.
Yes, ma'am. There are the four major industrial regions in the world: eastern part of North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Asia. India has eight industrial regions. They are Mumbai Pune region, Hooghly Basin region, Bengaluru, Tamil Nadu region, Gujarat region, Chota Nagpur region, Visakhapatnam, Guntur region, Gurugram, Delhi, Meerut region, Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram region. Did you know some industrial plants, because of their nature of their activity and substances they use, constitute hazards? Such potentially dangerous industry should not be situated close to residential areas, for they are particularly risk in event of accident. The Bhopal gas tragedy was one of the worst accidents to have occurred in world. Find out more about this incident. Major industries.
Okay.
A worldwide.
Okay, fine. Dhruv, wait. We will start this chapter tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have the same class at same time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Major industries will start tomorrow. I hope this industrial region is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, most of the industrial regions of the world or of our country, they are located in those areas where easy availability of all the factors that are required for laying down an industry is there. Right? Land is available, labor is available, power supply is available, then water is also available, market policies or the market is available, transportation is available. Government policies are such that it is easily available over there. Government makes certain policies where they facilitate the people who want to put up or set up industries, right, by giving them